Kavya, and like you can tell from today's title, this video is all about 3 super easy beginner level hairstyles that you can rock this festive season. I did a poll on my Instagram before shooting this video and I asked you guys if you wanted me to work on like super easy open hair hairstyles or you wanted me to work on hair updos, and majority of you said that I should do some really simple easy open hair hairstyles, and I totally get it. I know that everybody loves super easy, fuss-free, quick hairstyles, and that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you today. All the 3 hairstyles that I'm going to be showing you today are like really easy 3-strand braid hairstyles, and I think that a 3-strand braid is something that all of us know to do, so I intentionally kept the whole theme around that so that each one of you can try these out. And if you are enjoying the series so far and are finding it helpful, then do hit the subscribe button, because a lot of work and love has gone into this complete series and all these videos, so it would really mean a lot to me if you hit the subscribe button and give this video a big fat thumbs up. So without wasting any further time, let's get straight into this video. So before we get started with all the 3 hairstyles, let me quickly add in here that you need to prep your hair, girls. You need to make sure that your hair is prepped and it has some texture, because if you have like super straight and limp hair like me, your hairstyle is not going to look anything like this. And don't come to me and then tell me, you know, my hairstyle doesn't look as full or it doesn't look as polished. You have to watch this video that I'm linking right here that I just did a couple of days ago, a part of the series where I tell you how I create this hair. This is actually like day 2 or day 3 of that hair that I prepped. It stays put like this for days, like I told you. So watch this video, learn the hairstyles, but make sure you're prepping your hair before you do your hairstyles if you want it to look like how it looks on me. So make sure you watch that video before you attempt any of these hairstyles.
So let's get started with the first hairdo, and what I'm doing is taking this little section right here after taking a middle partition. I'm going to divide this section into 3 equal parts, and what I'm going to be doing is the 3-strand braid. Now we all know to do the classic 3-strand braid, and that is exactly what you're going to be doing by dividing it into 3 parts. The only change is that every time you braid after the first section, you take a little section from the top like this and weave it into your braid. Okay, so you're just going to be braiding it like your 3-strand braid, but every time you reach the top section, you're just gonna take in a little section of hair right from the top like this and braid it into your hair. I feel like this is pretty self-explanatory when you watch it, so I'm not fast forwarding any of the steps so that you guys get an accurate idea as to how the braid eventually comes together and looks like this. When you reach the end of the section, you are going to follow it up with a regular 3-strand braid and not take any, you know, sections from the top. So eventually you're just going to like braid it into a normal 3-strand braid, secure it with a rubber band, and half your hairstyle is done. Yes, it is done. So to create that fuller look, what I'm going to be doing now is slowly opening the braids like this. Just hold one half of the braid with your hand and pull at the braids ever so softly, gently to open it up. Now exactly the same steps on the other side, and I'm going to go ahead and just continue braiding, taking a small section from the top every single time and follow it through and through until we reach that part where the braid turns into a regular 3-strand braid. And you go ahead, fast forwarding it all through for you guys because this is pretty simple. I'm just gonna go ahead and secure it with a rubber band. We will of course open up this too. Just look at how it is like a thin braid, and once you open it up ever so gently, it eventually looks like a really nice full braid. Now feel free to leave this hairstyle as is. It'll look really cute if you may, and you can leave it like this, or you can go ahead and do what I am doing right now. Basically just hold the 2 braids that you secured with the rubber band, take it behind, get rid of one of those rubber bands, actually both of them, because what you're going to be doing is eventually securing them as one single braid behind so that it looks a lot neater. Now you can leave it as is, or you can go ahead and accessorize this with some flowers to cover the rubber band or with some jewelry piece. But that's it. This is your hairstyle and it looks so pretty. This is also a great hairstyle to do if you're wearing a mang tika, because it creates that really nice middle partition for you to place the mang tika and also frames your face so well with the waves. So yeah, highly recommending this hairstyle for any Indian occasion when you want to keep your hair away from your face but leave your hair open. It looks really pretty and it's just so easy, okay? Like, it's genuinely really easy once you get the hang of it. Moving on to the second hairstyle. This is again so easy and looks so fancy. Can't wait to show you guys. So all I'm doing is taking a nice middle partition and making my hair super slick and taking it all behind to create a half pony. Feel free to not have a partition and take it all behind if that's your jam, do that. But yeah, just gonna secure it with a rubber band. Easy peasy so far. It really is. So now that I have my half ponytail really neat and slick looking, I'm going to turn over and show you guys what I'm doing. Basically a classic 3-strand braid, absolutely nothing fancy out here. Just going to take a 3-strand braid and braid my hair through and through until the end. If you, like me, have a couple of layers in your hair's gonna come out a little, but trust me, it's okay. Don't bother being too neat because it's gonna look pretty nonetheless. So what you're gonna be doing is winding the hair braid around like this to create this beautiful flower kind of a pattern that will form immediately. I know you didn't see this coming, but it is as easy as this. You're just gonna secure the flower pattern in place with a couple of pins. I didn't even have a mirror to see what I'm doing and I could put this together. So if you just have a mirror around, I'm pretty sure this will be even easier. And this is what it looks like. It is such a fancy looking hairdo but still so simple, right? Like, it looks so simple from the front but so unpredictable and just so pretty. You don't need any accessory whatsoever with this. You are free to add a couple of pearls if you want to accentuate the flower further, but honestly I just love it as is. This is perfect for those girls who don't like to put in too much effort into their hair. Trust me, this still looks like so well done out. Moving on to the third hairstyle, and possibly the hairstyle that I keep wearing so often. All I'm doing is taking a side partition and taking a section near the partition like we did in the first hairstyle and starting with a 3-strand braid, a regular 3-strand braid, but this time around you are going to be adding a thin section every time you braid from the top and from the bottom. Okay, so last time in the first hairstyle we took sections only from the bottom. This time you're going to be taking sections from the top and the bottom like this, and you will get a different looking braid. Okay, it looks so pretty and your hair looks so full and voluminous with this hairdo. Just wait and watch. So all I'm doing is continuing with sections from top and bottom until I reach this point wherein it forms a braid on its own. At that point, you will continue like a regular 3-strand braid and just braid it through and through until the end, and then go ahead and secure it with a rubber band. Once you've secured the braid and it looks like this, I know this looks pretty as is, but we are going to go the extra mile and start by slowly opening up the braid. This is the trick that gives you fuller looking voluminous hairstyles, so you don't want to skip out on this. Be really gentle and softly pull out a small section every time and keep checking visually as to how it is looking, and eventually what you're going to be left with is this beautiful braid which looks so full. Continue messing around a little until you're like really happy, and then go ahead and secure this really pretty braid that you have created with a normal pin and just pin it backwards like this. Okay, you can choose to take it lower, higher, whatever works for you, and that's it. You are done. This again is such an effortless hairstyle, looks so pretty, works with almost every Indian outfit, honestly. Like, I have worn it with lehenga, with my salwar kameez, and yeah, it just works so well, and almost works for every face type too.
So those were 3 super easy festive hairstyles that look so stunning. You can wear them this festive season, you can wear them at a wedding, you can wear them at a friend's party, you can just do so much with them. You can go ahead and accessorize them. The possibilities are limitless, and I really hope you guys enjoyed these 3 hairstyles. If you recreate any of these hairstyles this festive season, then do tag me on my Instagram account. It makes me so happy to see you guys trying out all these hairstyles and makeup looks and all of that. Also, I'm running a giveaway on my Instagram, so make sure you're following me there and are participating, because you stand a chance to win so many goodies. And what else? I think that's a wrap on this video. We are almost nearing the end of first week. Oh my god, time seems to be just flying by. I hope you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any update, because like you know, we have a new video going up every single day. It's going to be a lot of fun stuff coming your way in the next week, so stay tuned and give this video a big fat thumbs up if you enjoyed these hairstyles. Until tomorrow, bye.